Bizarre. The movie had a bizarre plot that left everyone confused. Blair? She had to cover her ears as the car horn started to blare incessantly. Mary? The children sang merry songs around the Christmas tree. Behalf. On behalf of my family, I wish you a happy birthday. Excavate. Before building the new school, workers will excavate the land to prepare for construction. Mute. Please remember to mute your devices before entering the theater. Clink. When she set her mug on the table, it made a satisfying clink. Gabby. My friend is so gabby that she can talk for hours without taking a breath. 8. Tempt. The dessert menu was designed to tempt diners. Thick-headed. He can be quite thick-headed when it comes to following instructions. Remote. They traveled to a remote island for their vacation. Brutal. The storm left a trail of brutal damage in its wake. Topple. The earthquake caused several buildings to topple in the city. Limp. She felt a sharp pain in her knee, causing her to limp. Overturn. The strong waves threatened to overturn the small fishing vessel. Procure. He managed to procure a ticket to the sold-out concert.
Thanks for watching.